Sound check, sound check. Ayan.
Welcome back to our Date Talk podcast with Daniel and
Daniel.
Char.
Yay, and Char. Here we go.
Hello, episode 2.
Episode 2. Nasa labas kami ngayon. Actually, sa ano ba to? Ano ba tawag natin dito?
Roof deck.
Roof deck. Yes. At kung mapapansin nyo, may mga dumadaan na aeroplano. So, hindi namin alam kung naririnig nyo ang aeroplano.
This is going to
ang mga
be
kulob.
a review as well for our mic, Boya.
Yes. Oo nga, titignan natin.
Kung totoo yung noise cancellation
Yung
feature
noise
niya.
cancellation niya. Sana totoo. Alright, may topic tayo ngayon.
Yeah, very, very interesting topic.
Very
But
interesting.
before we go there, anong ganap mo recently? Meron ka bang anything?
Recently, tayo, recently we had our, di ba? Yung mga bata, di ba? They had their, what do you call this? Yung
Commencement exercises.
Moving up. Yung moving up nila. So, that was a momentous occasion, definitely.
Next,
Momentous
parang
talaga.
napaka-cliche. Momentous occasion.
Momentous occasion.
Yeah.
So, yun. So,
And then we went
celebrate.
to,
Yeah.
nag-celebrate tayo, dinalaw natin ang ating mga friends.
friendships.
The
Yes.
Correas from Pampanga.
Mhm.
So we went there and then we ate boom chicken.
Boom chicken.
It's
Masarap.
the best.
Masarap ang boom chicken.
It's the best chicken in the world.
Sa
Wow.
Pampanga. Marami pa naman siguro mas masarap. Biglang ganun eh.
Pagpunta kayo doon, order yung tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
Yes.
Soy chicken.
And no, the other one.
Ay, ano ba?
Sweet
Yung kimchi.
chili chicken. Parang gano'n.
Oh, yeah. Anyways. Oh, yeah. Hindi ko
Okay.
lang kung naririnig yung mga tunog ng butiki. Gumagano pa.
Okay.
Alright. So, ang topic natin ngayon ay
Napaka-interesting.
Yeah.
As in like, very interesting.
para doon sa mga kapanahon, may namin, kasabayan namin, kapanahonan natin.
Yeah. By the way, hindi kami magka-batch ha.
Sobra.
Kuya
3
kita
years.
eh.
3 years lang, di naman.
Well,
Magkaano naman tayo, magka-same era.
fine. Okay.
Same
So,
era yan. Okay.
We're gonna talk about the 90s,
90s,
guys.
yeah.
90s.
You're born 1985.
Yep.
I'm born 1982. Doon ako nalilito. Kung kunyari, I'm born 1982. So, portion of my childhood,
80s ka
80s.
talaga.
So,
Wow,
hindi ko
in the
alam.
olden
Wow,
times.
old. So, naabutan ko yung 80s for some, may time, di ba? At least mga hanggang 82, hanggang 7 years old. So, does that make me an 80s kid?
Wow.
I don't know. Nalilito ako dun sa part na yun. Tapos yung
Possible, you're
portion,
partly 80s kid
and
and,
5
you're
years of-
partly 90s kid, I think.
sige.
But me, I'm a 90s kid.
Oh, wow. Okay, sige. You get
Whatever
the,
that means.
the 90s one. Alright. So, ano ba yung mga na-miss natin?
Okay, eto, I'll give categories.
Okay.
And then, like, give me your parang top of the mind,
Okay.
1 to 2
Okay.
things.
Yeah, sure.
Number
sure.
1, music.
Music. Okay, good.
What comes to mind?
Again, inabutan ko 80s, di ba? May a little bit of 80s to 90s. Pero yung memorable sa akin is Francis M. I'll go Francis M. OPM eh. I mean, sorry, radyo.
Mas
to.
OPM ka than
Than yung international American music.
Yeah.
Kasi, syempre radyo, wala namang internet nun. So,
Korean. Joke.
Wow, wala pa.
Wala pa nun.
Japanese ka, hindi So, again, siya yung parang, yun lang yung choices. So, Andrew E., kung natatandaan niyo, Andrew E., bata pa
Ano
si Michael
yun?
G. Humanap ka ng pangit, wag na uwi. So, ano ba? Yun, rap. Nasa hip-hop side pala ako. I realize. At iba ka, di ba? Alam ko, ano ka eh, nasa metal ka eh, rockista ka.
Yeah.
Punk's not dead.
Back in the days, I listened to
Bone
Bone Thugs, Metallica.
Ang Bone Thugs, sorry, 90s ang Bone Thugs, diba? Pero late
yeah.
90s na yan. Kasi
yeah.
I remember, 90s yung Bone Thugs.
Yeah. But
Repeat.
in terms of music, ako, what I remember 90s is Eraserheads.
Yes.
Like
Eraserhead
classic
ka.
Eraserheads.
I like that
I
too.
remember the album Caterpillow. Anong year si Caterpillow?
Parang 94, 95.
I used to have a cat.
Baka 95 na yan.
Yeah, pasok naman siya sa 90s.
I know.
But I remember singing Ang Huling
Grabe, no?
El Bimbo
Ayun, sikat
na
yun.
parang national anthem. Pambansang awit ng
Grabe yun, ano?
Pilipinas.
Tapos lahat ng tao may gitara nun. Naalala mo ba yung time na yun?
Oh, yeah.
Tapos para doon sa mga kabatch ko, gwapo kapag marunong ka mag-gitara. Kahit na
Wow.
DAG lang yan, malupit ka na.
Daga.
Lalapitan ka na ng mga girl.
So, linapitan ka ng mga...
Hindi, sakto lang.
Hindi.
Hindi yun yung ano ko,
Oh, may
yung charisma
mag-usap
ko.
tayo.
Ay, so, yun na nga.
Okay, going back.
Okay. So,
Um,
music, that's one.
yeah. What do we
yeah, again,
miss?
nasa
TV
hip-hop.
shows.
Yeah, TV shows. Well, syempre, yung kabataan natin, Batibot.
Yeah, Batibot. Me also.
Um,
Okay, Doc.
Ayan, okay yun.
Home
Marami.
Along the
Home Along
Riles.
the Riles. Yan.
Aww.
Wednesday yun, naalala ko, Wednesday. 8:00 ba yun? Basta after na ng mga, ng mga TV Patrol.
Grabe no, nakakamiss yung humor ni na Babalu.
Totoo.
'Di ba?
Sila.
Roderick Paulate.
Yes. Si ano nga pangalan ng Roderick doon?
Dixon.
Si Dixon. Pre, alam mo naman, pre, di ba?
Si Dixon.
Dixon. Tsaka si Gudo.
No, Godoy's in...
Si Jimmy.
Oh, yeah,
Hindi,
tama.
daw.
Okay,
Kasi
Doc.
siya
Oh, yeah,
yung
yeah.
sidekick ni ano din.
Yeah, right.
Tapos, pumasok si Roderick. Dami. Ito,
What else?
80s to love eh.
Yeah.
Okay ka, Fairy ko. Hindi ko alam kung naano mo yon, na-appreciate mo yon.
I
Parang-
was an ABS-CBN person.
Yes.
Max, ang TV, ganyan.
Yan ang TV, definitely.
Yeah.
Kapag 4:30 na, ang TV.
Oh, wait. I remembered something. Eto, this is a classic 90s na parang wala na ngayon.
Okay.
I don't know, parang wala na ngayon eh. And
Ah.
I remember, this is a classic October 31, November 1. We always wait for this. Kung saan man nagpo-fall ang Saturday,
Yeah.
Noli De Castro,
Yes.
Magandang Gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Bayan.
Bayan.
Tapos sa ina yung takutan with the
Ah.
cousins.
Tapos mag-fade out si Kabayan doon.
Oo. Tapos mag-a-appear si
Yung Lola. Yung
si Lola
Lolang
the
mahabang
long hair. Oo, na laging parang aswang or something.
multo. Yung Black Lady. Lahat.
White lady, black
Siya
lady.
rin
Siya,
yung
tas
White
siya
Lady.
lahat.
Siya
Tas
lahat yun.
na-realize ko, ay, bakit lagi siya?
Kumita na rin. Biglang gano'n. Hindi, pero sikat yun. Sumikat siya doon. Kasi
Ay,
nag-ano na yun.
Parang
Shake,
anong
rattle, and
name
roll pa
niya?
yata siya. Yes.
I
Yun nga, nakalimutan
forgot.
ko nga. Pa-comment na lang, no, kung sino. Pero alam ko, parang kakamatay niya lang recently.
Oh,
Ano, parang as far as
really?
I remember the news, kakamatay niya lang recently. Recent lang. So,
Pero that's like a classic. I will
Classic.
never forget. Magandang Gabi, Bayan.
yes.
Tapos kaming lahat na magpipinsan, manonood. Tapos parang,
Tapos magtatakutan, ano? That's
magtatakutan,
true.
ghost stories and stuff.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Grabe, no? Ay, a portion of that is yung, kung naabutan mo din yung, o naalala mo rin yung, yung laging nagba-brown out.
Oh!
Kaya may takutan moments, di ba? Tapos may kandila.
Yeah,
I mean, mga kapatid ko
Walang
nung
brownout sa Ilocos eh.
Wow!
Are we gonna go there?
So, are you saying?
Joke lang. Guys, joke lang.
Okay, ay, ayos lang yun. Pero kung naalala niyo yung 90s, I think mga...
No pun intended. Joke lang.
So the point is,
Let's not go there.
nung panahon na
Okay.
yun, naalala ko nga, basta mga parang 12 hours yung
No.
mga... At parang ganito yan, it's either ang rotation is gabi to umaga or umaga to hapon and then meron ka sa gabi. So, syempre, mas gusto ko yung rotation na gabi may kuryente ka kasi matutulog ka ng may ventilador
Yeah.
kaysa yung gabi ka
Wala,
walang...
alam mo, naalala ko nga, pag
May
brown
rotation,
out,
naalala ko
naglalaro
yun.
na lang kami ng shadows.
Yun, oh.
Anino, di ba?
Kanina, yeah.
Or kandila. Maglalaro ka ng
Ah.
kandila.
Grabe, no? Tapos naalala mo yung mga commercials dati, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
yung mga-
That's another thing to,
Ano nga ba yun? Yung Dear
commercial.
Foods, yung mga... Dear Diary.
Dear Diary,
ganon.
Carlos sat beside me today.
Ganon.
He's so cute.
Ah.
Kaya lang, okay, wag na. Kasi body shaming na ngayon yon.
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah.
Grabe, no? Pagka binalik mo yun ngayon,
Oh yeah,
parang
no, hindi siya
wala,
papasa.
mababash yung
It's
mga...
gonna be canceled. Right away, canceled.
Parang unang labas pa lang, wala na. It's not gonna
Ah.
show. Okay.
True.
Grabe.
Ibaban yung tender, juicy hotdog.
Di makakancel sila. No? Parang ganun. Grabe.
Mga change talaga of era.
Marami mga commercials na very memorable. Kasi nga, if you remember, siyempre wala namang internet, wala namang YouTube.
Mhm.
So we have to wait for the shows, if you remember.
And the
that.
commercials need to be interesting
Ah,
para magstay ka, hindi ka lilipat ng channel.
Hindi ka lilipat ng channel. So
Next time ko
imagine,
lang naisip.
di ba, yung parang, Dati kasi
Ngayon ko lang
parang,
siya na,
okay.
oo nga, no, okay. Kasi syempre pag boring yung commercial, lipat na
Ay,
natin.
grabe, no? Tapos naalala ko
Yeah,
nung radyo. Radyo talaga eh. Ngayon
yeah.
kasi, you see the background, medyo tag-ulan. Pero grabe yung, ito yung memory, 90s. Ang sarap
Mhm.
makinig ng radyo habang umuulan.
I have no
I don't,
idea.
wow,
Seryoso,
I don't know.
hindi ako
Parang
maradyo.
inaantay ko yung mga favorite. Ano ko yung
Oh, oh,
parang,
yeah, yeah,
kasi
no.
hindi,
Oh, yeah,
unless
tama.
i-request mo. Pero kahit na i-request mo nga, antayin mo rin eh. Parang, hello DJ, pwede.
Yeah, yeah, I remember that
Imagine,
era.
no? Kailangan pa i-request yun. May dumadaan. Yeah, malalaman natin kung maririnig yun sa ating noise cancellation.
We'll see. Oh, eto.
Yeah.
Eto. How
Mm.
about yung mga laro? Larong pambata. Larong
Yeah,
90s. Kasi
definitely.
kami sa province, I grew up in the province, by the way,
Mhm.
in the province of Ilocos Norte.
Sure. Okay.
And so, at nighttime, as in classic moonlight, may
Mhm.
poste pa rin naman. Pero
Yeah.
magpapatintero kaming magpipinsan. Dun sa isang kalsada.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ganun.
Fun, di ba?
Tapos
How
yung linya
fun!
na yung yung sa kalsada na rin, 'di ba?
Yes,
Yung
tama.
mga basag na paso,
Oo.
'di ba? Tapos gaganunin yung
Correct,
mga, 'di ba?
yes.
Pareho lang,
Oo.
oh. Actually, ganun lang. Smata
Tapos
yata, yeah.
kailangan pag gaganunin ka, kailangan di mag-touch kahit yung ano,
Yung
di ba?
kahit, kahit yung balahibo mo, pag nahawakan mo, out ka na.
Oo,
Tapos
gano'n.
punitan ng damit yan.
Ang
Parang,
nice, no?
pag nahata ka ng, wala na. Uuwi
Yeah,
ka na,
out na.
nakaganon yung shoulder. Naalala mo yung mga ganun, agawan base, tumbang preso. Ano pa ba?
Sorry, our version is bawang base.
Bawang base?
Alam niyo yun?
No. Bakit
Okay.
bawang? Okay,
I don't
that's
know.
an Ilocos thing.
Ilocos version
Okay, sige,
kasi.
pwede naman. Sa amin, agawan, pareho lang yun.
Ano pa ba? Oh,
Yeah.
family computer.
Oh, yeah. Medyo, ano na yan, later na yan sa akin. Yung
Talaga
family
ba?
computer.
Contra, yung mga
Oo naman,
ganon.
oo.
Tsaka
Yeah.
ano yung Battleship?
Battle
Ano?
City.
Battle
Battle
City,
City,
favorite
diba?
ko yon. Nilalaro ko with my sister.
Battle City.
Of course, Mario.
Marami pa yan eh. Bomberman.
Si Climber. Alam mo yung
Ice
Climber?
Climber.
Ice Climber.
Donkey Kong. Classic. Yun yung mga classic.
Ang nice,
Tapos
di ba?
Mario 1, Mario 3.
Yeah.
Madami yun. Parang,
Meron nga, di ba, yung parang isang game tapos 1,000 games in one. Oh,
tapos 10 lang yung
dami.
gumagana doon.
Ay, talaga? Hindi naman.
Hindi ko alam ba? 20 lang
Lahat
yata.
pwede.
Tapos yung hihipa mo, yung gagana.
Yeah.
Tatak-tak mo.
Tak, tak.
Tapos gagana.
Tapos lalagay mo.
Pindutin mo pag ayaw. Ganun ulit. Repeat.
Papay.
Papay?
Oo, may
Na
larong
game?
Yeah.
Papay?
Isa-save niya si Olive, tapos kakain siya ng spinach.
Yeah. Oo. Tapos si Brutus.
Diba?
Yeah, I remember.
Oo.
Parang Donkey Kong din. Parang
Yeah.
ganun din yata yung game na yan. Yeah. Nila
Ano
ako.
pa
Mas
ba?
kontra ako eh. Kontra. Ito, Double Dragon.
Ha?
Kung
Hindi
alam mo
ba
yung
yung 2000 na?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pero mga alam
Double
ko na
Dragon.
Double
Ay, Dragon Balls pala yung...
Iba pa yun. Sega na yata
okay.
yun.
Dragon Ball
Street
Z.
Fighter.
Mhm.
Yeah. Galing. Dami, no?
Yeah.
So
many memorable
many,
things. How about fashion? I wonder,
Ah.
kumusta ang fashion sense mo nung 90s?
Sobra. May dumadaan ulit. Fashion. Alam mo, I don't remember kung ano yung, like, feeling ko kasi nung kabataan ko, hindi naman ako masyadong sumusunod sa
Yeah.
uso.
Parang
Pero
you're not a follower of the trend.
yung common nun is
Baggy pants.
baggy
Mhm.
pants. Hindi pa elephant. Hindi pa nun.
Yeah,
Wala.
elephant is like
Parang 2000 na yata.
2000.
Yun. So,
baggy
tas
pants.
baggy shirts. Tapos
Yeah.
ano nga ba
Oh,
yung
I
mga,
remember leggings also.
pen shop. Ano may mga brand, eh. Siyempre,
Pen shop.
pagka naka-swatch ka,
Bench,
medyo,
ganon.
ano ka
Oh,
na,
yeah,
parang
swatch.
diba? Ano ba yung mga, merong yung United Colors of Benetton.
Oh!
Yeah, yun, 90s yun.
Oo
United
nga,
Colors
yung sabi
of
mo yung,
Benetton.
kasi di ba gusto ko yung bag na Beyond the Vibes.
Marami pa yun
Sabi mo sa akin, ano yan? Parang
United Colors of Benetton. Ano yun?
Sabi ko, meron pa ba nun? La.
I think meron pa yata. United Colors of Benetton. UCB.
Yeah.
Grabe, no?
Pero yeah, those
Yeah.
were yung mga uso before.
That's true.
Pero yung tayo as 90s kids, for me, eto may question ako. Ano yung pinaka pinaka-most
Pinaka-most.
pinaka-most
Mm.
memorable moment, memory. Memorable memory.
So, yung
The
memorable memory
redundant
ko,
is doubling. Ano
over
yung
and over again.
pinaka-most memorable moment or event mo
Ay,
nung
alam mo, sobrang
90s
dami. Hindi
nung
ko na
bata ka?
matandaan. Ano yung
Isa
mga,
lang,
yung mga
share
ganong safe na sagot.
one.
Ano, yung mga, sobrang dami, hindi ko
I
na
have a
matandaan.
lot eh. Next,
Oh,
ganon. Tapos wala ka namang sinabi.
many to mention. Yan, 90s din yun.
Oh,
Yung,
yeah!
Slam Note, yung
Slumbook!
paano naman? Pasulat naman yung every time.
Many
Patapos
to,
na yung,
who are your friends?
oh,
Many to mention.
who's your first kiss?
Ala.
Parents. Yung mga ganun. Mom and dad.
Tapos, who's
Yeah,
your,
ganun.
what is love?
What is
Ano yung,
love?
anong sagot mo doon?
Ah,
Ako meron.
ano na.
Love is like a clock that tick-tocks on your heart.
Oh. Love. Sasabihin mo ba yan sa mga anak mo?
Siyempre hindi. 90s
Didn't
nga
find love.
eh.
Ano nga ba yun?
Love is like a
Love is like
rosary.
full of mystery. Marami yun. Actually, marami rin akong kinope. Love is blind, yung mga ganyan.
Love is blind.
Love is pag-ibig. Yung mga parang pagka wala ka ng
man.
masulat. Tapos yung what's your message in the end? Stay cool. Yung stay
Yeah, Japan.
Stay the same. Japan, Italy. Ala.
Kung ano-anong
Those
countries.
were the days.
Those were the
Oh,
days. But
man.
going back, what's your most memorable?
Memorable. Well, definitely family. Family when we're together eating, my mom cooking food. Siguro yung memorable yung mga Christmas. Natatandaan ko na ngayon. Now that you mentioned the memorable ones, Christmas. Yung mga, alam ko to yung pagkapasko, mainit ulang nanay ko. Hindi kasi sa lahat, parang gano'n, magrereklamo siya, ako na lang mag-prepare, hindi kayo tumutulong. So,
Sounds familiar.
Hanggang ngayon, ba't di joke lang? So, yung gulaman, naalala ko yung gulaman, tsaka yung macaroni, yung ama, yun yung mga
How about
food.
yung istapegi?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Spaghetti.
Oo.
Spaghetti ni mama. At saka, meron pa siyang niluluto na mahablangka. Yan, yung coconut paste. Yung mga desserts na yon. Pero technically, pagka-Christmas, ang dami niya. Parang naka-buffet kami.
Yeah.
Talagang. So, memorable yun. Tapos alam mo, na-appreciate ko, na-realize ko nga sabi ko, grabe nung kabataan ko rin pala, nagpe-prepare talaga sila. Si mama, siguro si mama yun, tsaka si ate.
Hala ka, hindi ka tumutulong.
Hindi, nagpe-prepare sila ng gifts. So, I remember, I really had a request nun ng robot. Tapos lumabas kami sa CCP. So, nag-CCP kami.
Bakit CCP?
Ano yun? Yung, merong doon.
Pag-graduation lang yun, di ba?
Hindi, yung,
PICC pala.
hindi yung ano nga ba yung
Harbor Square?
No. CCP, di ba? Meron doong parang,
Harrison Plaza.
Parang EK. Ano yung EK doon? Sorry.
Star City.
Star City. Okay. Alam ko nga hindi pa Star City yung time na yun.
Boom na boom.
Hindi, boom na boom.
Hindi ko alam.
Sa katabi yun. Actually, katabi nun, boom na boom.
boom na boom, di ba?
Sa Star City. Tapos meron payanig sa Pasig. Payanig sa Pasig. Yan. So, naalala ko yun.
That
So,
I don't know.
so, okay na, happy kami. Tapos pagbalik namin,
Aww,
may
doon yung
gifts
robot
kami.
mo.
Hindi, gifts lang muna. And then, nung binuksan ko, gold. Memorable
Yung
sa
robot.
akin yan.
Aww, may pangalan yung robot.
George.
Seryoso?
Joke. Pinag-isip mo ako ng pangalan George.
Okay, ako naman,
Yeah.
I think my most memorable memory,
Most memorable.
labo. Kasi I grew up with my cousins sa Ilocos.
Yeah.
And I remember that we would every week, as in, hindi ako nagbibiro, every week talaga, every weekend, we would go to the beach. Kasi malapit lang kami sa beach So, very
Masaya yun.
accessible. So,
That's
parang, tara, beach tayo. Tapos, doon kami from morning hanggang gabi. As in, like, umuwi na tayo, ganong
Sunog na
level.
sunog na
Tapos,
kayo.
sunog na kami.
Ang iitim nyo
Tapos,
na nakagano na kayo.
Every week to. So, imagine, every
Yeah.
week. And then, I remember one time, I think this was the summer of my grade 1. Kasi incoming grade 2 ako. I remember.
Hindi, incoming grade 3 ka. At dami ng ano, yung mga
Sorry
connecting
na.
the dots.
Okay, wait. So, I remember galing kaming beach,
Mm.
tapos birthday ng cousin ko.
Mm.
So, pag-uwi namin, doon kami umuwi sa isang parang farmhouse, rest house, parang
Yeah.
ganun nila.
Mm.
So, doon naglaro kami ng follow the leader. Alam mo yun, bata eh. I don't know
Parang
if you
alam
do
ko
that.
tong,
Follow the
yeah,
leader,
yeah, yeah.
ganyan-ganyan. So, one of the things na we had to do was to jump off the window of yung bahay.
Gano'ng kataas yun? 2 floors?
No,
Ang lakas. Ang lakas ng mga
No.
pinsan mo. Dalawang palapag.
no, alam mo, pag nakikita ko nga siya
Parachute pala
before, hala, ang ano lang
Mataas
niya,
pala.
hindi siya mataas.
Hindi siya mataas.
Not at all. Like probably, siguro mga 5 feet.
Mataas yun.
5 feet?
Taas yun.
Hindi yun mataas.
Taas yun. For a jump,
Anyway, so,
mataas
nag-jump
yun.
kami, and then, ako, pag-jump ko,
Mm.
wala, fracture ang bagsak ko.
Mm.
So, hospital, cast,
Yeah,
all the
no.
works, crying, and then, hindi ko maalala
Sakit.
daw yung pain, but I had a fractured leg because of
Ew.
that.
Ouch.
And memorable siya kasi, wow, na-experience ko magka-cast. Hindi,
Wow,
pero totoo.
nandun ka sa legs
No,
na-
hindi naman siya
Wow.
like, wow. Wow na siya ngayon. Pero before, syempre, parang,
Alala ko tuloy yung
So,
isa
1
nating si
month,
Alonzo.
parang 6 weeks akong nakakast.
Mm. 6 weeks din yung...
Yeah, 6 weeks, I
Kasing
remember.
balik talaga. Hindi naman... Sorry, may mga nakita kasi
Hindi
ako
siya
yung labas yung...
Open, close fracture siya.
Oh, man.
Oo.
Sorry, para pasintabi sa mga kumakain.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, ano naman siya,
Okay.
cast lang, and then naalala ko, papasok yung langgam. Tapos hahabulin ko, huwag kang pumasok. But then, anyway, yeah.
Oh, man.
So,
Oh,
yeah,
memorable talaga yun.
So, parang nung na-fracture yung kamay ni Judah, tapos, sorry, si Alonzo pala.
yun.
Parang,
Sinatahi yung dito ni...
wala lang, sabi
Marami
ko
rin
lang,
ganap para sa
ano
mga
ba yan?
sikiting namin.
ano ba yan? Tapos na-realize ko, ay, oo nga, ako din pala.
May pinagmanahan.
Na-fracture din pala yung leg ko. Anyway, that was so memorable.
Memorable, yeah.
Mhm.
It's can't forget that. The 90s. Actually, nagtatanong yung mga anak natin, diba? Dad, diba?
How was
sila-
it the olden
Oh,
times?
the olden
Grabe,
days. The ancient.
olden.
Ano to? Lapu-lapu. Panahon ni Magellan. Yung panahon ni Magellan, ganito. Parang the olden days.
Sobra. Hindi kasi
Do you have electricity
pero
then?
come to think of it,
Parang
kasi
sarap kurutin.
they're born 2013, 2015.
Ah,
So, it's really far from their, like when you say,
the
we
90s
were
is
born in
like
the 80s. Parang kung tayo yon, it's like in our POV,
50s.
mga people born in the
50s. 60s.
minus, divide.
Divide.
Nag-compute.
Tiny.
Wait,
Ito, 90s din to. Yung ganon. Naalala mo yung ganon?
oh yeah.
Yung gaganon ka. O,
Yeah.
90s yun. 80s, 90s.
Oo.
Arithmetic.
Uy, hindi ako gumagamit nun
Wow. Mental lang,
Excuse
mental,
me.
mental.
Mental lang. Tapos alam ko na.
Sabay tingin. Kopya pa.
Anyways.
Di ba nagtatanong sila, di ba? How is it? Meron pa ngayon. Do you have electricity then?
Oh my
parang-
gosh.
So, do you use lights and electricity? Do you have TV? Parang,
Naalala ko
ano
si
tingin nyo sa amin?
Naalala ko si Alonzo tsaka si Judah nag-uusap. Tapos, here, you know what? Let's ask mom. Why?
Mm.
Let's ask mom.
Mm.
She knows.
She
You know why? Because she's been touching grass since the
This
80s.
is the 80s.
Parang, my goodness. Touching grass.
Like, they don't have internet before, so they know everything.
Anyway, so yun nga. Anyway, I have a question now. So,
uh.
as a kid who grew up in the 90s,
80s, 90s. Yeah.
90s na lang.
Okay, go. Sige.
Who grew up in the 90s, what do you want your our children
Yep.
to
Children natin,
experience? Or parang at least what have you learned from the 90s na you want to impart? What do you want them to experience also growing up now at this age? And I think ito yung mga siguro possibly you can share something na rarely na rin na experience
Yeah,
ng
yeah.
ibang kids ngayon.
That's true. That's true.
So,
Pagka hinatid ko sila papuntang school, sometimes I intentionally play the radio. Tapos yung parang, kasi syempre parang Spotify, na, YouTube ka na di ba? Parang, yun na yung iniisip mo na ipi-play mo, di ba? Pero, may mga times ako na I intentionally play the radio, and then I tell them, look, I wait for my music to come, to to play. Sabi ko ganun. Kasi in my time,
Tapos magmamadali kayong lyrics.
'di ba?
Ganun din.
In my time, I have to there's no
Wait.
internet. There's no internet.
Yeah.
I cannot pick my music. Sometimes I would have to wait for I don't know, the whole day or wait for it to ano no, yung para mag-top 1 siya para laging dumalas yung pag-play,
Yeah.
parang ganun. So I think the value of what I was telling them is that sometimes the best things comes when you wait for it.
Mhm.
So may mga ganun ako. Classic siya. And it's not ano no, a cliche but
Parang waiting.
yung
Patiently waiting.
yung value ng hindi ka nagmamadali.
Yeah.
Slowness is also actually now I think slowness is more of a ano na rin parang kailangan
A luxury?
hindi yung you have to be mindful
Oh, yeah.
for that.
I
Kasi
think so.
kaya 'di ba? Ikaw papansin mo,
Kasi lagi ako nagmamadali.
Oo, di ba?
Pinariringgan. Hindi, joke lang.
'di ba yung naalala mo yung mga times pagka nasa province tayo, ba't parang ang tagal ng oras dito compared sa
yeah.
Manila.
Sa Manila,
Parang mas slow yung living doon. Yun nga kasi nga
the pace.
when you don't have the internet connection and everything.
Uy, may internet naman tayo sa province.
Hindi, I'm not saying na, pero pag nandoon kasi tayo usually tao-tao yung I mean we're connecting to people.
Yeah.
So nararamdaman natin yung parang dami mo na nagawa na parang
Namalengke ka.
ang dami na
ganyan.
nangyari.
Yeah.
Tapos, alas 9 pa lang pala. So, parang
Gusto mo
ang dami
try mamalengke dito?
busy. Nakagrab na nga lang daw. So, yun. So, I think the
That's
slowness thing is something that, I've been telling them. It's okay to slow down and you disconnect sometimes and just, touch the grass, smell the
I
flowers.
love it.
May ganun lang kasi nga usually yung mga I think especially mga anak natin, 'di ba? Parang gusto nila kagad immediate yung
Yeah.
mga bagay-bagay. So and hindi lang naman sa pagkain yun, sa request lang nila, but life in general yung
Right.
minsan 'di ba pagka nata-traffic tayo, oh no, man. Parang
Mhm.
I don't know, para siguro ba mas ano ba yung pasensya natin before sa ngayon can compare but that skill set to wait and I think that's really important.
Yeah. I agree.
Oo.
Ako, I think I want them to experience real connections, like beyond the screen type of
True.
connection.
True.
And that would include for me,
Mm.
kasi growing up nga, sabi ko, we would go outdoors,
Yeah,
ganyan, beach, farm, ganyan. Nagsumaki ako sa
May
farm.
May farm ka din pala. Alain mo
But-
yan.
Hindi, pero parang I want them to experience real connection
Okay.
with people
Okay.
and going outdoors.
Yes.
Like,
outdoors.
When you connect with people,
Mm.
parang whether that's family, friends,
Yeah.
cousins, or,
Mm.
'di ba? Parang it builds relationships as well. And
I
then
agree.
another would be going outdoors kasi it's so
Ang
easy.
healthy ba ng
It's
yung may
so
hawak ka
easy.
ng lupa.
No, kasi it's so easy to get stuck with the screen eh. Kahit
That's true.
tayo, 'di ba?
That's
Doom
true.
scroll ganyan.
Mm.
And of course, we
Alaka.
control, we
Mm.
regulate naman their gadget use, ganyan. Pero ang saya na parang, okay, hindi lang pala to yung pwede kong gawin. Pwede kong
Mm.
lumabas, laro ng soccer,
Mm,
ganyan, or
Mm,
whatever.
mm.
Like,
That's
basta
true.
lumabas.
That's true.
And, I think it's a good practice also.
Yeah.
Ah.
Not to totally disregard the technology today.
Of
Kasi nga,
course.
para naman sasabihin, hindi, lang, yung dati lang, mas maganda
Yeah.
dati. Parang na rin, syempre we have to move forward in that sense. But, in a way, adapt, but at the same time, still value what is important na hindi pwede mawala sa nature, so to
For
speak.
sure.
Oo.
That's why I love camping.
Oo, yun.
So, I'm so happy that we go camping, ganyan. Kasi, well, sorry na lang, kasi some campsites are off-grid talaga.
Oh, yeah.
So,
yeah.
it deliberately gives them the opportunity to
Na walang
play and
walang screen, walang internet, walang
and play with their friends.
That's true.
Diba?
That's true. Yun yung maganda.
Kakatuwa.
Yung napapawisan. Tapos paglapit nila sa
Yeah.
asim-asim na.
O, hindi naman.
Di ba? Pero di ba yung parang yung pagka ganun na yung itsura, parang, ganyan kami dati.
Oo, totoo, totoo.
May ganung effect
Yeah.
di ba? Na parang, happy na rin tayo na may ganun silang experiences. Pero,
Mhm.
ako, syempre, in my opinion, parang, sana mas madalas pa. Kaya lang talagang, hindi ko rin alam ano ba, mas lang ba tayo, papasok ko lang to, no?
Mhm.
Yung parenting ba dati ay different din na in a way kasi nakakalabas naman tayo,
Oh,
'di
yeah.
ba?
Mhm.
Tapos ngayon medyo mas maingat lang talaga.
Yeah, but
In a
I
way.
think it's different in a way na parang, kasi growing up,
Mm.
I remember we would be allowed to go out na kami
Ah,
lang.
yeah.
And it wasn't dangerous.
Yun nga
Parang
eh.
safe naman dati.
Yun nga
Well,
eh.
factor kasi siguro province, magkakakilala,
Oh, yan.
small town,
Community, oh,
ganyan.
yeah.
I don't know lang Manila.
Sa amin
Kasi,
naman, ganun, safe naman eh. Hindi naman kilala lahat nung nasa street namin, pero at least yung nasa kapitbahay, yung mga kabilang pintuan, kilala namin yun definitely.
yeah.
Pero yung paglabas, hindi naalala ko kasi nung 90s parang lalabas ka lang, tapos biglang may bata dyan, pwede
Yeah.
makapaglaro. Parang ganun lang kagad,
Yeah,
diba?
oo.
Tapos biglang,
Tas friends na
tara,
kayo.
habulan. So,
Oo.
yun na yun. Tapos mamaya, pawis na kayo.
Yeah,
Tapos bukas ulit,
totoo.
di ba? Parang ganun lang dati
Yeah.
eh. Ngayon, parang, I don't know, iba na rin. Medyo mas intentional siguro yung,
I think that's another topic.
oo.
Kasi the way I look at it, parang, kasi this is how we decided naman din eh. Like, we have to teach our kids life skills.
Life skills,
And these
yes.
are all life skills naman. Like,
That's true.
paano tumawid ng kalsada,
Bumili
paano
sa
bumili sa
tindahan. Oo, yan.
tindahan.
Importante rin yun.
Oo. Tapos,
Diba?
paano tumawid na hindi nababangga.
Huwag na mabangga. Sa street na nga natin, wala naman masyado dumadaan eh, di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
yun. So,
yeah.
yun. Again, those are the, parang, in a way, we don't want our kids to miss out.
Right.
Di ba? Yung mga experiences na yun.
Yeah.
And syempre, they have their own, experiences na sila na yun. Kumbaga siguro, 30 years from, 20 years from now, sila naman yung magpapodcast. You know, what does it mean to live like in the 2010s and 2020s?
What does it mean to be raised by millennial parents?
Millennial parents,
ganyan.
parang, bakit? May problema kayo? Diba?
No,
Ganun
but
na.
yeah, 90s something to cherish.
Yeah,
No?
that's true.
Parang it's something
We missed
na,
we
yeah,
missed
ako, I miss the olden times.
The olden times.
The
Sabi nga
olden
nung anak
days.
ka, the olden times. That's
Yeah.
true.
So
Yeah,
I think
all
that's
of
it.
that. Oo. Well, hopefully, may mga napulot kayo doon sa mga, discussion natin. Pero,
Yeah.
that's
It's so
true.
nice. Actually, parang masaya siya pagkwentuhan. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko? Pagkwentuhan.
Pagkwentuhan, yeah.
Kasi ang rich din nung past. Wow! I-end na natin
Sige,
to.
yun lang. Sige. Marami pa pupuntahan to. Pero baka lang meron
Tama
mga
na.
suggestion, may mga memories din kayo na gusto nyong ilagay.
Yeah, so that's it.
So, but thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Meron uling episode 3. Abangan nyo na lang. But at least mas shorter itong
Yeah. Thank you
usapan na
for listening.
may dumaan ulit. Malalaman natin kung may noise cancellation nga ito. So,
Okay.
anyways,
Till
we
next
are
time.
done. Thank you.